Most people walk through life apologizing for their ambitions. They whisper their goals because they are terrified of what the world will say if they fail. Listen to me. If you want to become something you have never been, you have to be willing to do things you have never done. And the very first thing you have to do is manufacture a level of self-belief that borders on absolute delusion. You have to look at the massive gap between where you are right now and where you want to be, and you have to tell yourself, I am going to close that gap. I am going to build the bridge. It is possible for me. You have to be crazy enough to look at your current bank account, your current physique, your current job title, and completely detach your identity from it. You have to convince your own brain that you are already the champion, that you are already successful, and that reality just hasn't caught up yet. Stop broadcasting your next move to people who aren't even playing the game. We live in a world where everybody wants the applause before they have even started the performance. They want to post about the grind, talk about the hustle, and show off the vision board. Shut your mouth and get to work. Upgrade your life in absolute silence. When you share your biggest, most audacious dreams with small-minded people, you are handing them the matches to burn down your future. They will project their own failures onto you. They will ask, are you sure that's a good idea? What if the market crashes? What if you lose everything? They aren't trying to protect you, they are trying to protect themselves. Because if you actually succeed, if you actually break out of the mold and build that empire, it forces them to look at their own lives and realize they settled. So keep it to yourself, pour into your own cup. Disappear for 6 months, a year, 2 years. Go into the dark room and do the unglamorous, brutal, boring work of becoming a master at your craft. When you finally emerge, your results will be so undeniably massive that they won't even be able to ask you how you did it. They will just have to sit back and watch. Start feeding yourself a different narrative. Talk to yourself in terms of power, action, and capability. I am a problem solver. I do hard things. I am relentless. I adapt and I overcome. Say it until you feel stupid. Say it until it echoes. Because eventually, the conscious repetition will seep into your subconscious reality. You will literally alter the neural pathways in your brain. You don't have to be the smartest person in the room. You just have to be the person who absolutely refuses to entertain the concept of quitting. So many people are paralyzed by the fear of looking stupid. They won't start the podcast, they won't launch the business, they won't ask for the promotion because they are terrified of the cringe. Go out there and make a fool of yourself. Fall flat on your face in public, because on the other side of that embarrassment is everything you have ever wanted. The people judging you are sitting in the cheap seats of life. Their opinions do not pay your bills and they do not dictate your destiny. I don't care where you are starting from today. I don't care if you are dead broke, if you just got fired, if you feel lost, or if you feel like you've completely ruined your life. You are not your past. You are the actions you take in the next 60 seconds. You are literally one massive win away from changing the entire trajectory of your life. Just one. But that win does not come to people who are standing on the sidelines waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is a myth. You have to step into the arena tired. You have to step into the arena scared. You have to step into the arena lonely, without a mentor, without a safety net, and without a guarantee of success. By deciding not to try, you are already failing. The only consequence of taking a massive risk is that you might fail, learn, and come back stronger.